yourself. Just tell your name and from where you are coming. ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳಿ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರ್ತೀರಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಗಟ್ಟಿ ಮೈಕಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು ಮೈಕ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ.
ಕನೀಶ್ ಮುಜು ಜನನಿ ಮನೆ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಅಯ್ಯಪ್ಪ ನಗರ. My name is Asta. I am from Jodraste.
Asta from Jodraste.
My name is Medha. I am from Jodraste. My name is Shali from Hirgana. My name is Harshit from Ayyappa Nagar. Shriksha from Bangalore. Dipeshi from Jodraste.
Srinandan from Nellikette.
Prasanna Ayyappa Nagar. Ayyappa Nagar. Yes, Udupi. Nellikette.
Good morning everyone. We are here to celebrate a small program about welcoming day. Namge parents, those who are already came from English medium, we have to speak in English. It's compulsory this year we have to follow English, okay? And those who came from Kannada medium ಇಂದ ಬಂದ ಮಕ್ಕಳು slowly ಅವರು ಕಲಿತಾರೆ. ಉಳಿದ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Dear headmistress, all the teachers, staff members, all the dear parents and my dear children. A warm welcome to you all. Swagatam, Suswagatam. Yes,